Hey everyone, this is Ted Shafran, the founder and president of Connectability, and today I'm here to introduce a series of talks about cybersecurity and your business. And I want to start with a couple of questions. So here goes. Question number one. Would you buy an umbrella with holes in it because it was cheap? Question number two. Would you buy a padlock that doesn't close because you could save a few bucks? Well, I think we all know that the answer to those questions is no. And yet it amazes me how many times we find business owners who are willing to cheap out on protecting their businesses from cyber criminals. Now, there's a saying in the cybersecurity industry, and it goes like this. Security is asymmetric. And what that means in plain English is that you have to have perfect defenses, but a criminal, a hacker, only needs to find a single point of entry. Now, maybe you're saying, well, who's going to attack me? I'm just a small business. Unfortunately, that's the wrong way to think. So look at it this way. Here's another perspective. If a burglar breaks into your house, he's not looking for the Mona Lisa. He's just looking to grab whatever he can that's valuable and run. And by the way, the reason he chose your house is that yours was the one that didn't have an alarm. You were the easy target. You were the low-hanging fruit. Now, sometimes there is this feeling that spending money on cybersecurity is going to be expensive. But I can assure you that whatever you spend will be a fraction of what it costs your business if you actually suffer a breach. So don't be an easy target. Don't be low-hanging fruit. Protect your business. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be talking about some specific areas of vulnerability and what you can do to protect yourself. Until then, thank you for tuning in today, and stay tuned.